Today, one Bitcoin is worth over 60,000 US dollars, equivalent to 1.75 crore Pakistani rupees. What is the history of Bitcoin? What will be the future of the newly launched Picoin, which can be mined through any cell phone at no cost? There is a lot of controversial news about Picoin. What is the largest cryptocurrency exchange Binance saying about Picoin? What is Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, saying about Picoin? Will Elon Musk really accept Picoin payments? Should we create or mine Picoins, which are free at the moment, or is it just a waste of time? If we mine, how can we increase its speed? We did AI-based research to uncover the facts about Pi Network. This video will explore it scientifically using artificial intelligence tools. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created and is now the most valuable and well-known. It was launched in January 2009 by a computer programmer or group of programmers using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, whose actual identity has never been verified. It had no official price at that time. The first known exchange rate was established in October 2009 when New Liberty Standard set the value at $1 for 1,309.03 bitcoins, based on the cost of electricity needed to mine Bitcoin. The lowest closing price for Bitcoin was $0.08 on July 18, 2010. The first real-world transaction involving Bitcoin was on May 22, 2010, when Laszlo Hanyecz spent 10,000 Bitcoins to buy 2 Papa John's pizzas, a legendary tale commemorated annually as Bitcoin Pizza Day. Picoin started on March 14, 2019, by a team of Stanford graduates, aligning with Pi Day, March 14. Pi Network aims to make cryptocurrency mining accessible through a mobile app, allowing users to mine Picoins using their smartphones. The project emphasizes ease of use and broad participation, intending to create a decentralized digital currency. Currently, everything is free for users, and the Pi Network app generates revenue from advertisers. As of now, Picoin is in its development phase and has not been listed on major exchanges. Binance, a major global cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, has acknowledged Picoin but with caution. They listed the live price of Picoin as an IOU, short for IOU, and not directly transferable across exchanges, meaning the coin is not fully operational or integrated into Binance trading system yet. The anticipation for Pi's mainnet launch is high, but users are advised to be cautious as the current prices are speculative. Binance has not officially recognized or listed Picoin on its exchange. A mainnet, short for main network, is the final and fully operational version of a blockchain open to the public for transactions. For Picoin, the mainnet launch will mean the cryptocurrency can be traded, transferred, and used in real transactions, moving beyond the test or IOU phase. The Pi Network aims to launch its open mainnet soon. Should we believe it? CoinChapter is a cryptocurrency news and analysis site that highlights concerns about Picoin, repeated delays in launching its open mainnet, significant volatility due to speculative trading of IOUs, questionable intrinsic value despite low mining costs, aggressive and exaggerated promotional campaigns, and the absence of its founder from public view. There are rumors about Elon Musk to accept Pi Network tokens, but as per my information, Elon Musk has not made any official statements about accepting Picoin as a payment method. Speculation on social media lacks concrete evidence, and Pi Network has been criticized for delays in launching the mainnet and allegations of scams, making it unlikely Musk would support it without substantial proof of its viability. The Pi Network platform allows users to mine Picoins using their mobile phones with minimal resource usage. They claim to become the next Bitcoin or the poor man's Bitcoin. However, Pi Network's open mainnet launch delays and scams might leave a bitter taste in investors' mouths. While the number of Bitcoins is controlled, Pi coins are extremely high and uncontrolled, potentially keeping its value low. Yet, the Pi network generates revenue through advertisements to millions of users, and many believe it is not significantly different from data collection practices by companies like Google. I have analyzed the facts. The decision is yours. Just ignore it, or if you want to take a chance, it's the right time to join. I have decided to take the chance. So far, it is absolutely free and requires a few seconds daily to continue mining and developing coins. You can download Pi for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie. You may get the following benefits of the Pi app. 1. Early access. Mine Pi coins early before they become tradable. 2. Learning. Gain experience with cryptocurrency and blockchain. 3. Community. Join and participate in a growing network. 4. Potential value. Earn Pi coins that may increase in value. 5. Easy mining. Mine using a smartphone without expensive equipment. Pi coin mining uses minimal phone resources. 1. Low battery consumption. The app does not significantly drain your phone's battery. 2. Minimal data usage. It requires very little data, mostly for periodic updates. 3. Background operation. The app can run in the background without affecting other phone functions. 4. No intensive processing. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency mining, Pi coin mining does not involve heavy computational tasks. How to increase the speed of earning? It is possible with the referral link. Its benefits are: 1. Increased mining rate. Both the referrer and the new user can boost their mining rates. 2. Team building. Create a network of trusted members, enhancing security and rewards. 3. Community growth. Help expand the Pi network by bringing in more users. 4. Incentives. Earn additional rewards and bonuses through referrals. The referral link is given in the description. Are you going to start it? Please comment. Stay blessed.